Hey, Edgar from FunnelTopia here. A quick feature update related to trigger links and WhatsApp, or more specifically, you can add trigger links in WhatsApp. So if you go to settings and then WhatsApp and then create a template, right? Create a new template or edit an existing one. And then under body, if we add a variable over here, you can add a trigger link. Obviously, those need to be pre-created, like beforehand. And over here under traffic, trigger links, right? And trigger links, in case you didn't know, it's essentially it's like a link that you not only track who clicked on it, but also you can trigger actions based on those links that you send out in a WhatsApp message and an email, right? And then based on that, they essentially what it is, right? It's a trigger link, and it can serve as a trigger. That specific link you chose to put on WhatsApp, it can be a trigger link over here in a workflow. Yeah, let's select trigger link, whichever link you put in, the pre-created link, right? Whichever link you put in WhatsApp, and then it will serve as a trigger for, I don't know, adding them to, or sending them an email, or adding them to a workflow, or removing them from a workflow, just kind of assigning like a team member to them to call them. There's all kinds of different things. This is the trigger, that link that you put on in your WhatsApp message. So yeah, this is powerful if you're using WhatsApp. This is really it's a way to automate even more of your processes, and definitely take advantage of this. Take a look at it. As I said before, it's under settings and then WhatsApp. You can see it's like new at the time of recording this. It's like the way it is set up now. Go check it out. If you have any questions, click on down below. 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.